Hi friends, how are you all? I'm super excited because I'm talking about my favorite thing ever, Essential Rewards. I want to tell you that 5 ways Essential Rewards of Young Living is different than monthly subscription of any other kind. And I'm gonna give you reasons for it. Okay, you ready? Okay, and that's why I'm a big fan of Young Living's Essential Rewards. All right, number one is that there are no surprises. It's completely customizable. This is super important for a person like me. I like surprises when they are free. When I'm paying for something, I don't want any surprise in my box. I want to choose what is going in my box every single month. So I pick what I'm gonna buy, what I'm paying for. I wanna pick that. So they allow you to pick that. Then also you can also choose to pick a date, so you can change around your dates. You can do like 10th of a month or 1st of a month or 28th of the month, and you can change it. Like, it's totally customizable. You can change your processing date. So if you are going somewhere out of town, you can change it accordingly. You can even manually process it. So that's very, very convenient. And also, like I said, you get to pick what you want. So that's just super important thing. Number two, the rewards they give back is so generous. I mean, starting with 10% and going up to 25%, that's just crazy good. Because when you start with Young Living, they give you 10% back of whatever you spend with them. You get 10% back in first 3 months. Then you get 20% back up to 2 years, and after 2 years you get 25% back. So it makes it so much so much more reward. I haven't heard anybody else giving their loyal customer this kind of generous reward. And they don't stop there, so you get 25% back, and with that money you can buy whatever you want. You can choose and pick and buy. You can do the quick order. You can buy maybe for makeup. You can buy more Ningxia red juice, that's like our favorite, or buy some skincare. Just buy whatever you like. There are some exclusions, but most of the things are included in it. So that's so cool. I just placed a big order of my about 300 points that I have accumulated, and I just got it, so I'm so excited about it. All of it for free. So this serum, this is so good. I got it for free. I bought it for free. Let's just say that I chose it. Then other generous freebies they give. Oh my god, this month they are giving away $200 worth stuff for free on $300 order, and the oils that are free are like our most favorite oils. There is Valor, there is Gentle Baby, and there is like Cute Clutch or bag. What else we have? Something really nice that I was. Oh, Clarity. Oh my god, Clarity is my most favorite oil. I call it my dissertation oil. Although I did not have access to that oil while I was writing my PhD dissertation, but I wished, since I have smelled it and I have seen its powers, I have wished every time that, oh, I wish I had this while I was writing my proposal or I was writing my dissertation. It would have been much easier process. I'm telling you, if you're a student, you need clarity in your life. It just help you focus, like have that razor sharp focus so that you can finish all your tasks. It's so good. They are giving that for free. So all our favorite stuff for free this month, about $200 worth. All right, so with that generosity, and oh yeah, how can I forget that every 3 months they give you free gift for just shopping with them. They just say thank you for shopping with us. Here is your new free oil like peppermint, thieves, tea tree oil. And loyalty is the best because it smells so amazing. It has like rose and sandalwood in it. It's my favorite perfume. I wear it on special occasions because you cannot buy it anywhere else. It's just you get it when you finish 1 year with them. So yeah, it's a special thing. Although me and my husband, we both are enrolled in Essential Rewards, so I just take his. So I have two per year, but still I have to be mindful about using it because I don't want to be out of it. Really amazing stuff. All right, so that's the second thing. Third one is the no strings attached kind of feeling. That's important because when we commit ourselves to like monthly thing, we want to be like, what if I want to cancel it? I should be able to cancel, right? So that's what I really love about that. Even within a month, if you want to cancel, you can cancel. Within 2 months, you want to cancel, you can cancel. Or if you never want to cancel, you don't cancel like me. I mean, it's gonna be 3 years now and I am never canceling it. It's just a blessing to our family. Every month we get this box of blessings, seriously. So I would never stop it. But that is like, that you don't feel trapped. That's the thing. You should be able to get out of it if you wanted to. It should be in your power, in your control, in your hands. And that's what I love about Young Living, because I have had some not so good experiences with other monthly subscriptions. Way before I learned about Young Living, way before that, I did try some and I just didn't like the way, I felt a little trapped, and I don't think you should feel that way. So that's a very good thing. Number 4, the minimum purchase value is just 50 per month. Now let me put this, you might be like 50, that's little more. It's not more if you consider you can get the wide varieties of things that you can get from Young Living. Not only essential oils, you can buy things like supplements. Their supplements are amazing. Their hair supplement is my favorite. You can buy shampoos because the personal care products like shampoos, conditioners, soaps, all these things. Baby shampoo, we use theirs. Lotions, I do not use lotion. I use just coconut oil with mixed with geranium or ylang ylang oil, my favorite essential oils. And I have nice scented homemade coconut oil lotion. But if you are using lotion, you can buy it from there. The base part is all non-toxic. And skincare, makeup, even food. You can buy the Nisha Red juice, you can buy the energy drink. Oh my god, they have so many things except of produce. The orange or banana and avocado and all these things we buy from the local stores. Everything else, most of the things we buy from Young Living because it's just it's cheaper that way for us to buy everything from Young Living, because you get all the freebies. You get more freebies when you do more shopping with them, and you are shopping these things from anywhere, anyway, right? You are shopping it from either Target or Whole Foods or Kroger or Walmart. Instead of buying those stuff from there, like cleaning products and laundry soaps and all that, or dish soap, we buy from Young Living because it's better for us, and it saves money also at the same time, and they're the best quality. All right, so that's the 4th one. And 5th and the last one is that you get to think about your health every single month. when you do these orders with Young Living. Why it's important to think about your health and healthy living? Because when you replace your, let's say, sunscreen, store-bought sunscreen with the Young Living sunscreen, you are reducing that much amount of carcinogens from your body. Okay, you are literally saving yourself from the toxic load that other carcinogenic ingredient, chemical based sunscreen lotions can put on your body. You don't want that on your kids, you don't want it on yourself, you just don't want it around you. So and nobody should. And this is like all natural sunscreen. So same way, I think about different things that we can use from Young Living rather than using from somewhere else, because that way I can have lesser toxic load on my body and have better health eventually. We have seen amazing health transformation. I am like, at this age, I feel I have way more stamina than I had when I was in my 20s. It's just, it changes things when you use lesser of carcinogens, hormone disruptors, toxic chemicals in your body. You feel the difference. You definitely feel healthier and do better for yourself. So that's why I love Young Living's Essential Rewards, and I recommend it to everybody. Everybody should be on it. It's amazing. There is no cost to join it, and there is no cost to get out of it. That's one thing you should remember, because that's the one thing that scares us and stops us from doing something good for ourselves. We think like we will be trapped, but there is always an option to get out of it. All right, okay, I hope this was super, and sorry about that. I hope this was super useful for you, and thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.